Hi everyone, welcome to SP MPC Classes. Today we are going to learn synthetic fibers and plastic class 8. Let us see. Natural fibers means which we are getting from plants and animals. Generally, we people are having fibers. Fiber is nothing but a thin thread of a natural or artificial substance. So you should remember that fibers are two types, two categories: natural fibers, artificial fibers. In this picture you can see clearly that natural fibers are nothing but cotton from the cotton plant, silk from the silkworm, wool from sheep, angora goat, camel, and linen from the flax plant, hair fibers from rabbits and goat. Plant fibers. Cotton. Cotton fiber is obtained from the cotton plant, especially in our district. We people are having cotton crops much. Linen we are getting from flax plant. Just now I have shown a picture. A plant which is having blue color flowers, that is a linen plant. And silk we are getting from the silkworms. Wool we are getting from the animals such as camel, sheep, goat, angora goat, rabbit, llama, alpaca. Like this many examples are there. About silk, different type of silks are there. Mulberry silk, moga silk, tassar silk. Like this many different silks are there. Already we have learnt about this in 7th class. Synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. We can say artificial fibers. Those are made up of chemicals. Hence each kind of synthetic fibers have their own properties. They are lengthy, long-lasting. Demerit is that poor absorbance of moisture, they catch fire easily. We have many different type of synthetic fibers. Example: nylon, rayon, acrylic, polyester. So let us see one by one about these synthetic fibers. First of all, we people are going to learn about the polymerization. In that polymerization process, you have to know about the monomer. Monomer means single unit. One unit is known as monomer. If we combine all the monomers together, we people are getting polymer. Poly means many, mer means unit. Monomer single unit, polymer many units. When you are combining all the monomers together to get polymer, this process is known as polymerization. Here we have few examples: polypropylene, polyethylene, PVC pipes, nylon ropes, and plastics. These are all examples of man-made fibers and called as synthetic fibers. Let us learn about rayon. Rayon is a semi-synthetic fibers. Why? Because rayon we are getting from the wood pulp. That's why we can say it is half of the natural fiber, half of the synthetic fiber. So we can say synthetic semi-fiber. Rayon also known as artificial silk. Rayon is prepared from the cellulose. That cellulose is a natural polymer. From that fiber we are getting. So let us see the properties. Easily dyed and woven into the cloths. It drapes well. Good absorbent of sweat. Lustrous in appearance. And if you see the uses, rayon mixed with fiberglass for making helmets. Used to make jackets and track suits. To prepare surgical dressings also we are using. And to prepare nylon tires, dress materials, silky and moisture absorbent materials also we can make. Curtains also we can make it because drapes well. And luxury cars and office and home furnishings we can make by using the rayon. So rayon can be blended by using other polymers also, other fibers also. So these are the things that you have to remember. Nylon. Nylon is made up of a monomer which is known as polyamide. We have different type of nylons. Nylon 6 is there, nylon 66 is there, nylon 610 is there. All this type of nylon preparation methods also there. For that preparation I will prepare one more video. Now I am teaching these notes which is helpful for you, IIT and regular both. So nylon is strong polymer which can dye easily and do not absorb water easily, elastic in nature and highly durable. Nylon we are using in our daily life for everywhere. Let us see the properties first. Toughest elastic material it is, highly tensile strength is there, slightly water absorbent but dries quickly, slightly, very slightly. It can be molded into fibers, sheets, rods, tubes and coatings. Resist oils, grease, moth, fungus. Can be made into pellets of powder. Is lustrous and easy to wash. And we can see that nylon ropes, parachutes, raincoats and ropes of fishermen and nets of fishermen. Like that many uses are there. Let us see the uses one by one here. Stretchable wears, seat belts, ropes, reel thread, sleeping bags, swimming wears, raincoats, track suits, fishing nets and fishing lines, making saris, acrylic which is known as duplicate wool. Nowadays for the replacement of wool people are using acrylic. These are wrinkle free and resistant also, easy to wash, dry quickly, and it is resistant to the moths, oil, chemicals and exposure to the sunlight. Because of that reason we people are using acrylic. Properties if we see, resistant to the moth, soft with crimps resembling wool, it is durable, light and washable, strong and stain resistant, also available in shades, can be dyed in different colors. We can make carpets, doormats. By using the acrylic we people are using many things. Let us see one by one. Acrylic knitting wool is good for the baby wears because they are soft, warm and washable like diapers. Used for making artificial fur, blanket, carpets etc. A transparent type of acrylic is used to cover automobiles, lights, lenses, surgical tools etc. This is part 1 about synthetic fibers and plastic, and the second part I am going to upload after 2 days. Once go through that and do revision. Thank you.